What's good, my boys? It's been so long since I made a POV drive, man. I'm very, very sorry. Before we even get into this video, let me get a nice, beautiful thumbnail for you guys, okay? My bad. Give me 2 seconds, chat. Should we do the pink lights? Yeah, I think we're gonna do the pink lights. Fuck it. Damn, or should we do the red? Which I think? Hell yeah, that should look more menacing. So yeah, man. It has been a very long time. As you can see, it's windy as fuck outside. But we are back with a nice POV drive. I am very sorry that I left you guys. I had a couple things to take care of, and for those who don't know, I got a brand new 17 Pro Max. I love this phone. This phone is amazing. If you guys have a 17 Pro Max, comment down below what color you guys have. We're gonna get straight into this video. We got traction off in sport mode, and we are actually on our way to the gym because we work out throughout the week. Damn, you hear my car? Golly. I want to have the windows rolled down, but I know it's very windy outside, so I know I can't really have the window down because you guys really aren't gonna be able to hear shit. But we're gonna get straight into this video. Well, damn. I'll make sure nobody pulling up and shit. I'm over here trying to put my seatbelt on, and I already got my seatbelt on. Oh man, how have you guys been? I am so sorry once again, man. I know you guys like the POVs. Please do not mind my firearm. Look at that there. It is illegal. Okay, you guys don't have to report me to the cops. But I don't know if I made a video with my new ambient lighting. This is not my old ambient lighting. This is my new ambient lighting, and I love it so much. I'm gonna show it to you guys when it hits nighttime, because summer is no longer here. We are now in fall. I need to get on this lane though. Watch this, that was so good. Oh my god, let me change my lights for the cops pull me over if they see me with some, oh, you're trying to impersonate as a cop. We'll put pink on. Are you gonna turn? I'm giving you the ability to turn, bro. Turn. Damn, I hope the sun doesn't fucking mess up my drive, bruh. Oh, what's that back there? Is that a cop? Nah. Holy shit, I cannot see, it's bright. My god, this feels so weird. It's been so long since I did a POV drive. But yeah, man, I just been working a lot, man. I got 2 jobs. I'm not putting no excuses though, man. That's really my bad that I haven't been posting on YouTube a lot. I've been posting mainly on Instagram, trying to get to 20,000 followers, but I'm really trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. If this truck will move out of the way, I can give you guys a nice pool, but yeah, I've been posting. It's been YouTube Shorts. It hasn't been a full video. So for all my new subscribers that are here, we are on a road to 10,000 subscribers. Once I get to 50,000 subscribers, I already did a poll, but I'm gonna do a YouTube poll, and I'm gonna match it with my Instagram poll. And I had the Hellcat Red Eye for my next car, or a C7 Z06, or a BMW M4 competition. And I put those three up, and I wanted to see what people wanted me to drive, like what they wanted to see more videos with, because the next car that I get, it's obviously going to be a content car. So I had majority of my votes from Instagram, and it was the Hellcat Red Eye. So I'm going to do a poll on YouTube, and I'm going to see what you guys want to see. What car would you guys want to see on the channel? Because the Scatpack is getting old. I'm gonna hit 100,000 miles. I'm 12,000 miles left from it. So whenever I get to 50,000 subscribers, whenever that is, you know, I still love this car, and I'm not in a rush to get a new car because I love this car. But whenever I get 50,000 subs, I'm going to Miami again in November, which is next month, the end of next month. And I'm not gonna just tell you guys what. Normally the people who are on my Instagram, they already know what I'm gonna get because I did a poll on that as well. But I am gonna be having a nice really car, and we're gonna do a lot of content with it, and I'm gonna be vlogging out there the entire time, so it's gonna be cool. It's just so hard to do content like where I'm at because there's always traffic. Like, look at this. Like, this is just gonna be fully congested now. This is crazy. This is crazy. The light is green, and this is just stop traffic. This is why I can't do POV drive videos on the street, because of shit like this. But look, now all these cars are gonna go. All these cars are gonna go, and then they're gonna cause more traffic here, and then it's just gonna be another congestion. Because they don't know how to turn all the way to the left, you know, they're mental. And this is ridiculous. Yes, thank you. Look, somebody with a brain. Would you look at that? I'm gonna give you guys one pull here because I think the gym is like, yeah, the gym is right down the street. So I'm gonna do another pull here. V6 Mustang, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the inside of my car looks like at nighttime. Yes, I did miss you guys, man. That boy was recording. Lot of support, lot of support. And now we gotta find parking. See, a lot of people think that this car doesn't get a lot of attention because it's a Scatpack, like everybody has a Scatpack, but you guys gotta remember, I'm in the East Coast, so it's like, there's not a lot of Scatpacks. Like, there's more BMWs than there are Scatpacks out here. So, now you could have been went, but you wanted to stay there like a moron, so now you're gonna have to wait. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. Let me go do my workout. It's probably gonna be like an hour and a half, so it should definitely be dark time by the time I come out. So I will catch you boys in like the next cussing. All right guys, I am recording off my 17 Pro Max. That's a mean ass flex, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, look man, check me out. I haven't showed you guys the interior of my car yet, okay? So here goes. Here is my interior. I'm gonna wait for now, damn, I don't know how to work with this fucking phone, bro, because it only has 2 modes to zoom in and zoom out. I can't zoom out, bro. So apparently with the 17 Pro Max, I can't go to 0.5 in on my 17 Pro Max while I'm recording. So I'm just gonna record it from the back. But you guys already know that I have stars. I have brand new ambient lighting. This is how it looks at nighttime. It is very, very bright. It makes it look like I don't even have tint at all from the outside. But we are at a gas station, so it looks different. You know what I'm saying? So you can like, it's not as bright. But yeah, this is my ambient lighting. I can literally switch it to any color I want, but I just choose to just keep it at pink because that's my secondary color for this car. And I am going to be wrapping my car next year. So comment down below what color you guys think I'm going to wrap my car. But that's going to be it for this video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Nothing too crazy. I just had to post a video because it's been so long. So when I do, make sure you guys tune in and paste my Instagram, follow my Instagram, and I'm going to catch y'all boys in the next one.